I really enjoy the KATS trail. It's a lot of fun. This is my first year fishing it, so I'm looking forward to coming to it next year.
The trail's huge, it's growing. KATS ACK does a great job hosting this series.
A lot of camaraderie, and one of the oldest and best going tournament series in the country.
Definitely want to encourage any other anglers out there that would want to join in and start doing kayak bass tournaments to come check out KATS. It's definitely a fun time.
ACK runs a great tournament. I'm looking forward to many more in the future.
We're having some great turnouts with big numbers, a lot of anglers from all over. Really looking forward to this season.
You know, if you're interested in kayak fishing, this is a great tournament series to come out to and check out.
Come on out and have a good time with the rest of us. You'll love it.
You ain't getting in my way now. I don't ever want to slow down. Finally got it, this is my time, my time. You ain't taking it from me now, from me now. You ain't getting in my way now. I don't ever want to slow down. Finally got it, this is my time, my time. You ain't taking it from me now, from me now.